Welcome to Frugal Insights. Are you new to budgeting and not sure where to start? Creating a budget can seem daunting, but it's a crucial step in taking control of your finances. Step 1. Track your income and expenses. Write down every single transaction, no matter how small. This will help you understand where your money is going and identify areas for improvement. Step 2. Set financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your budget. Do you want to save for a big purchase, pay off debt, or build up your savings? Having clear goals will help you stay motivated. Step 3. Categorize your expenses. Divide your expenses into categories like housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. This will help you see where you can cut back and make adjustments. Step 4. Create a budget plan. Based on your income, expenses, and goals, allocate your money into each category. Be realistic and flexible, and make sure to include a buffer for unexpected expenses. Tips for sticking to your budget. To stick to your budget, review it regularly, automate your savings, and avoid impulse purchases. You can also use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to make tracking your finances easier. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated. By following these simple steps, you can take control of your finances and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching Frugal Insights. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on personal finance and budgeting.